Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Odyssey that generation here from year 2011 to year 2017. If you guys want to know what HAC fuse, also known as HAC fuse, is located, where it's located, what it means, what it's for, where you can buy cheap replacement fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, we're going to explain that in this video today. In addition, we'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays, guys. Make sure you stay until the end. All that will be shared for your convenience. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clear written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys, relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see like the JK's fuses, you have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So the HAC fuse, guys, okay, let's talk about that fuse. We'll demonstrate on 2015 Honda Odyssey. Fun fact, you have 5 different fuse boxes, but the HAC fuse is located, guys, if you look inside your Honda Odyssey, on the driver's side, under the dash, guys. If you come above the pedals, you look upside down there, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. Now, those are some of the fuses here of your car, but you have 5 different fuse boxes. Before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. The HAC fuse, what it stands for, okay, that fuse controls multiple things in Honda Odyssey, guys. Okay, one of them is the AC clutch is with that fuse, okay. Another thing that it controls is power mirrors, automatic headlights, automatic dimming mirrors, climate control, guys, blower motor fan and radiator fan relay as well. So we're talking about that fuse number 26 right here. That fuse controls all these things, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.